Om Shanti. Essence of Avyakt Murli. 6 July 2025. Title of Murli. Celebrate the ceremony of success with a saving scheme of thoughts, time and words. Ignite the lamp of hope in disheartened souls. Bap Dada said, to the extent that you have self-sovereign rights at present, you will become world sovereign in the future. So, every Brahman should look at himself in the mirror. Is he always a master of self-sovereignty? Or is he sometimes dependent and sometimes a master? If any of the physical organs deceives you, but makes you subservient, then this proves that the controlling power, the ruling power has not yet come. Further Baba said, until you are set on the seat, no one accepts an order. So remember that I am a master of self-sovereignty, I am Master Almighty. After setting on this seat, and then give an order, the powers will say yes sir, yes sir. In front of all the powers of you, Maya, nature, sanskars, all will become servants. Finally Baba said, now make a scheme of saving. Saving of thoughts, saving of time, saving of words. And do not utter untruthful words. Because the time to save a little bit of Purushottam benevolent time is now. If not now, then when? Remember this every moment. Blessing for today. May you be a true server and reveal the bestower with every act and speciality of yours. Details are: true servers would never let a soul become trapped in them when giving them their cooperation. They would enable everyone to make a connection with the Father. Every word of theirs would remind everyone of the Father. The Father would be visible in every act of theirs. They would never even think that someone has become cooperative with them because of their speciality. If others see you and not the Father, that is not service, but it is making them forget the Father. True servers enable everyone to be connected to the truth, not to themselves. Slogan is, instead of making any type of request, remain constantly happy. Om Shanti. Avyakt signal. Accumulate the power of thoughts and become an instrument for elevated service. The basis for drawing a line of elevated fortune is elevated thoughts and elevated actions. Whether you are a trusty soul or a server soul, both can claim a number on this basis. Both have a full chance to create their fortune. Whoever wants to create as much fortune as they want, they can do so.